Hi guys. So yeah, this is another day, another picnic day. Say hi to my channel. Hi. This is another picnic day with the fam, and we just decided to like come out again because they opened the park, they opened outdoor gathering, outdoor activities, and we just decided to like leverage on that and come out to just chill with the family. So we just decided to come out with the family, and yeah, this is like some days after the first picnic that we did. I didn't really show anything. So today I promise you guys I'm going to show you guys a few things. Yeah, basically I'll show you guys what to get up to today. The children are here today.
Did you spend any time together last week?
Most talked about show.
What we were talking about?
Most annoying show.
Sorry. Maybe I'm reading this wrong. You have spent time together over the last week.
I've been on my sister's.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And what was the...
Hi guys. Look what I have here. Like, this is beautiful. Like, this box, just look at it. Before I even talk about this brand, just look at this box. Just take a look at this box. So pretty, so beautiful. It's really cute. So recently this brand, Teddyblake New York, reached out to me, and were like they would love for me to have one of their products and let my subscribers, you guys, know about their brand, and you can also want to purchase something from them. So let me just tell you guys a little about Teddyblake New York. Teddyblake New York is a premium luxury brand. They sell quality Italian leather bags, original Italian leather bags, not just people that will tell you they're selling Italian leather bags and their leather is from Aba or something. No shades to Aba, but it's a luxury brand. It's a luxury brand that sells very quality Italian leather bags. Like you guys can see, they sell very quality Italian leather bags, and not just word of mouth, not just that they are telling you that it's quality Italian leather bags. They actually sell quality handmade, crafted Italian leather bags. They were made basically by hand, like by craftsmen, specialized craftsmen that make Italian bags. Were the people that were employed. They had the people in mind. They had us in mind when they were making their product, when they were making their brand. Like, they had me in mind, because I've never really owned any luxury brand. I've never owned any luxury bag, and this is going to be my first luxury bag. So I was really excited when they reached out to me, and I'm like, I can't have this excitement. I can't just be excited alone, and you guys won't be excited too. Like, you guys need to understand what it means by having a luxury bag. You understand what I mean? So I was really excited to come to you guys to tell you about this brand. Let's quickly go into the unboxing. So because my body's, I can't wait for you guys to see what is in this box. So quickly, the first thing you open, and right there it says discover your Teddyblake design and bag. And yeah, you go into opening it, and it says Teddyblake New York designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddyblake handbag has been made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Like, that is so cute, that is so cool. Next we have this is what it looks like on the inside, and I'm just going to be unboxing it quickly for you guys to see. So once you open, you have, it comes inside this stuff. I don't know what it's called, but I really like it because I love to play with it, and they're giving me work now. They're giving me work. Anyways, that aside, so that aside, the next thing is this beautiful dust bag. It comes in this beautiful dust bag just to like make it clean and secure for you. And then we have our beauty right here. Just look at that. Just look at this beauty. Just take a look at this beauty. Like. No, just look. Can you just see? Like, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is really cute, and I love how small it is because I love small bags. When I was given the opportunity to go to their website, I just looked at it that if I had picked a bigger bag, I won't be able to use it. I won't be able to rock the bag. So I picked a small bag, and I love the detailing on this. I love this detail of the lock. Then you just open it like that. You open it like that, and let's see what we've got inside. Oh my god, it has a longer hand on the inside. The hand is long enough, so it's going to be like a crossbody bag. You can use it as a crossbody bag, and you can carry it just like this. So I'm just going to keep this aside for now. So inside it, we have so many stuff just to like puff it up. It's obvious it's handmade, and it's obvious it's quality leather bag. Like, this bag is going to be it's like my new favorite bag. This is my new favorite bag. I really love it, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do because I really love this bag. It can take my tripod, it can take my phone, it can take my purse, and that is all I need. That is all I need. The good news for you guys now, the good news I have for you guys now is that if you would love to purchase one of these bags, I know you would definitely love to purchase one of these bags, because why won't you want to be happy the way I'm happy? Why won't you want to be happy the way I am happy? If you want to purchase one of these Teddyblake bags, feel free to go to their website. I'm going to link their website down in the description box. You can check their website out, and if you want to purchase it, you can use my discount code that will help you get some coins off your purchase. I'm going to be linking my discount code also in the description box, and I'm also going to write it on the screen. For you guys to see the discount code. I'm going to write it right here, so you guys can just use the discount code to get some coins off your purchase. Now I'm looking for where to go. Thank God they've almost opened outside. Outside is almost opened, and I can't wait to go out and rock my bag. You know what I mean? So guys, that being said, I hope you purchase, and I hope you use my discount code. Like, I'm already picturing so many outfits I'm going to wear with this bag. You guys are not ready for when I go outside. You guys are not ready for when outside opens. Let me even fix the hand because I'm ready to start carrying it. Hey, go. You guys should make sure to purchase one of these bags, get one of these beauties for yourself, and don't forget to use my discount code, which I'm going to be linking below.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong.
So guys, we came again to the water park. We came to the other time. I don't know if you guys can remember. There was like some days back, about 2 weeks ago, we came to this water park, and we are currently there again because you know the weather is really hot right now. Like currently about the central district are going to experience extreme weather conditions. So we are not currently staying there again. We came there, it's not so far from the house, so we just decided to just like come and bring kids there again, let them just swim in the water, and you know just because they can't go to the pool because COVID is still very much around. So it's best they just come to the water park where they can feel the water and still like have fun. So yeah, basically we're just here, I'm just seated and